Start.
So firstly, a very elegant good evening to respected sir, ma'am, and good evening everyone. Good evening. So once again, you all are welcome by me to the Arc Scrappers learning channel with our educator Sanskriti Chaube. So today we are going to learn one topic of physics which is related with magnetic substances. So there are three kinds of magnetic substances. Let's learn one by one about each of them. So first is all about paramagnetic substance. So paramagnetic substance is the substances which are attracted relatively less than the ferromagnetic substance with the magnet, which means if we are passing the magnetic field inside these substance and inside these materials, so at that time the magnetic field will rarely pass through it and it will not attain permanent magnetization. It will become magnetic substance for some time. Let's suppose we are passing the magnetic field from a substance and at that time the magnetic field will attracted by that substance in a very less amount and the substance will attain the magnetization only for the time whenever the magnetic field are being passed with the substance, and if we will remove the magnetic field, so at that time the substance will also remove and lose their magnetic field and it will become again the normal substance as it was before, and it is known as the paramagnetic substance. And some of the examples of paramagnetic substances are the aluminium, magnesium and some other substances also. And next is all about the ferromagnetic substances. So ferromagnetic substances are those substances if we will pass the magnetic field through it, so it will attain permanent magnetization. So what does that mean? Let's suppose we are passing the magnetic field inside its substance. At that time it will attract maximum magnetic field inside it and it will attain the permanent magnetization, which simply means that if we will remove the magnetic field, so but still the substance will behave like a magnet even after removing the magnetic field, and this is known as the permanent magnetization. And the material which attains permanent magnetization is known as the ferromagnetic substances. And some examples of the ferromagnetic substances are iron, nickel and some alloys which is also known as the steel. And these substances are known as ferromagnetic substances. And the next substances is all about diamagnetic substance. The substance which are not attracted by magnetic field, either it will repel by the magnetic field, it will show the less amount of repulsion by the magnetic field. Let's suppose if we are passing the magnetic field through the substance and through any material which is a diamagnetic substance, so at that time it will not attract any kind of the magnetic field, instead it will repel it and the magnetic field will move far from it. And the substances which show these kind of the properties is known as the diamagnetic substances, and we can watch so many examples of diamagnetic substances such as water and any other substance which do not attract magnetic field whenever we are putting magnet up across it. And these are the three kind of the magnetic materials which we see across us. And this was my today's topic. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.